is Megan Price, and I am the Executive Director of the Missouri Works Initiative, which is a workforce development nonprofit. And our mission statement is to help eliminate barriers to meaningful and family-sustaining employment, and to keep people in good jobs, to get them a ticket to the middle class.
Missouri Works Initiative came to Anders with an opportunity to look and reinvent their processes. They were looking to grow and recognize that their current processes weren't sustainable for that kind of growth that they're looking for. So we helped them and talked through opportunities to automate and leverage AI as a potential improvement opportunity to help reinvent their business.
We have to do a lot of data entry. We have to do a lot of gathering signatures, obtaining a lot of information. And then on the back end of that, we have to do a lot of reporting and keeping that information accessible and backed up and secure. We knew we needed a system that utilized 21st century technology, the power of automation, the power of centralized databases, and that's why we chose to work with Anders to build and implement the Apprentice Ready system.
When we get a new client like Missouri Works, we meet with them to understand what they want the system to do and how it differs from their current process. So why their current process isn't working is a key indicator of what we can build to make their new process work better. In this case, it was a lot of manual work and sending emails and putting things into spreadsheets, things unknowingly getting deleted and that sort of thing. So we built from the ground up this app that tracks all the information they need in an enterprise-grade database instead of in a spreadsheet.
The Anders technology team and the Anders organization at large knew what we were trying to do, and they believed in that mission. So there was a lot of synergy and, okay, well, you thought you could do this, but did you know you could do more? And it was something that I could not have fully imagined when we first started.
Organizations like Missouri Works Initiative that recognize that as their business is growing, if they maintain their current processes, they won't be able to grow and sustain the kind of level that they want to be and where they want to be in the future. So leveraging new tools like AI and automation, reporting and analytics and dashboards can just really help them achieve those goals that they're trying to get.